Welcome back to SR Studio. Today we want to talk about type tool. Over here, type. You can click here, type, or using shortcut T. Just click. You can click, and this is your text. You can make it bigger, and you can customize type like this. If you click and drag, this is your text in the box, and if you click just one, this is your text. Just one. This is just one click, and this is if you click and drag. This is your text. See you to the Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Bye bye.